Yes, take this. Assalamu alaikum. I'm here on stage of Ali English Academy. We are taking interviews of the students. I have another student with me, so let me interview her. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What's your name?
My name is Umme Masira.
Umme Masira. Where's your house?
DAT school.
Okay, how do you come to school? With the parents. Okay, which class are you studying in?
Third year.
Third year. Okay. Next year, which class you will be?
Fourth.
Next year, inshallah, you will be fourth year. Good. Do you like your school? What do you like in Ali Public School?
English.
English you like? So you like this English Academy? What do you learn in English Academy?
Arts.
Sorry? Speaking on stage. Okay. What's your mother's name?
Mansur Ali Khan.
What's your mother's name?
Mansur Ali Khan.
Mother's name.
Muhsina.
Okay. What is your father? What he does?
क्या काम
He's
कर
doing business? Vegetable business. Okay. So what do you want to become in future? I mean, after your studies, what do you want to become? Like doctor, engineer, what?
Teacher.
You want to become teacher of which subject? Which subject do you want to teach? Urdu you want to teach? Very good. Okay. So who is your favorite teacher?
Roxana Ma'am.
Very good. And which is your tourist place you want to go? Which is the tourist place where you want to go? Like Makkah, Medina, Dubai, America, right?
Makkah and Madinah.
Makkah and Medina you want to go. Very good. What do you have for the breakfast today? What do you want to have? Sorry? Sorry?
Roti.
Roti you had for the breakfast. Very good. Fine, it was nice talking to you. Thank you very much for speaking to me. All the best for your future.
Thank you.